Tired of working hard but not seeing consistent closings?
Frustrated because you're not getting in front of the right clients?
Or maybe your listings are staying on the market too long and you're ready for a change.
You're not alone. The market has shifted, and so must we.
That's exactly why we created the Agent Mastery Workshop, your 2026 Success Blueprint.
And we are inviting you to join us Wednesday, November 5th.
I'll show you how to set and execute goals so that your pipeline stays full and your income is consistent.
Learn how to attract the right clients with my proven YouTube playbook that will have clients calling you.
And leave with my marketing strategies, the ones I use to sell homes fast, even the tough ones other agents can't move.
This isn't theory.
It is hands-on.
And you'll leave with a proven blueprint designed to help you dominate 2026.
Seats are limited.
And your next level won't wait.